We thank Representatives Farrar and Dutton for filing this legislation. There are 4 goals or ends of punishments which the bishops use to analyze whether a punishment is legitimate or illegitimate, whether it should or shouldn't be applied. Those 4 are: 1, that the punishment results in the rehabilitation of the offender; 2, that the punishment protects the society from the offender; 3, that the punishment deters any future offenses; and 4, that the punishment satisfies the requirements of justice. Under the first criteria, the TCCB realizes that when the death penalty is applied in any case, rehabilitation is not accomplished by the reintegration of the offender into society, but it is possible for the offender to repent before the imposition of the death penalty. Under this principle, capital punishment is not prohibited in all cases. To move to the second principle, with regard to the protection of society from the offender, we note that there are rarely, if any, instances in which the death penalty is required in order to protect society from the offender. Pope Francis and Pope John Paul II both emphasize this. This is the result in large part of the current detention system. Third, with regard to the deterrence of future offenses, the TCCB contends that the death penalty has an inconclusive relation to deterrence. Therefore, this criterion does not support the use of capital punishment today in Texas. Finally, regarding the criteria that punishments ought to fulfill the requirements of justice, the bishops maintain that wrongdoing does merit punishment. We grant that. However, we are also deeply concerned by studies which show that there is a high percentage of errors in capital punishment cases. Moreover, the bishops contend that capital punishment has the unintended effect of whetting an inordinate appetite for vengeance rather than satisfying the true requirements of justice. This is what moves the bishops to repeatedly intervene on behalf of condemned offenders in order to ask for clemency. The bishops submit letters requesting clemency for every capital punishment case in Texas to the governor. In sum, the bishops do not rule out capital punishment in every place and every time. In other words, in every nation and in every time and every century. But we maintain that it is not justified for use in the United States today because it does more harm than good, given our system of laws and the current studies which show the number of errors in the capital punishment cases. Thank you very much.
Mr. Barba, thank you. Representative Canal, did you have no? Okay, do we have any questions? Thank you so much.